The Acoveritt, the Garnetics or KOLIFE, perhaps the Lish Premium or the Clicks? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 outdoor waterproof TV covers available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best outdoor waterproof TV covers. The 5th product on this list is the KOLIFE KOLIFE. When you have a nice backyard with a garden or deck, having a TV out there to enjoy as well is an amazing idea. And a good TV experience should always be backed up with a reliable cover for when you're done watching. This is precisely why people love the KOLIFE KOLIFE TV cover. This is undoubtedly one of the best, because it's an excellent all-around outdoor TV cover that is compatible with most outdoor TV models. It's completely weatherproof, and it can keep your outdoor TV safe from all the dust, rain, excess sunlight, and other factors in the outside space. It's also a full cover, so it's guaranteed to protect all sides of the TV. Each side of the cover is double-stitched, making it more durable and long-lasting. Of course, it has a softer interior material that defends against scratches and marks. This outdoor TV cover has a generous size range to fit TV screens from 22 to 75 inches. Its setup is remarkably simple, and it is even compatible with most TV mounts. Once the cover is on, the industrial-strength Velcro straps keep it secure, so it won't blow away even in stormy conditions. On top of that, it also has a convenient weatherproof remote control pocket. Its pros are, its interior is made of soft fabric that prevents the screen from scratching. Its waterproof material prevents water from seeping inside, and it provides 360-degree protection that helps to increase the shelf life of the TV. However, it can be a bit tricky to fit around stand poles. The KOLIFE TV cover is an excellent product that can eliminate the struggle of taking your screen in the house and bringing it back when you need to relax outside. Up next in 4th place is Clicks. Imagine having a nice movie time on your patio. The rain begins to fall, and you realize you have nothing to protect your TV. Good thing the Clicks TV cover is here to save you from all these worries. This cover, which measures 52.5 by 33 by 5 inches, is intended for flat-screen TVs and displays. It is compatible with televisions ranging in size from 57 to 60 inches. This size allows for plenty of room to cover the TV stand, digibox, and even your soundbar. This outdoor cover is an effective protector for your TV. It's dustproof, waterproof, and snowproof, so it'll keep your television safe all year. Another highlight of this product is its ease of installation. It has high-quality Velcro straps that are double-stitched for extra strength. Openings with Velcro straps are more durable than zippers and allow for easy setup with various TV mounts. What's more, this TV cover is intended to fit most universal TV wall mount brackets. So whether you're using a double wall, single wall, or tilting TV mount, this will work flawlessly. Lastly, you can also store your TV remote control in the back pocket of this cover, making it even more convenient and preventing anything from getting lost. Its pros are, it's made of weatherproof materials that protect the TV from water or dust damage. It features a soft interior that protects the TV screen from scratches, and it has double-stitched edges that offer an extended durability. However, in direct sunlight, it tends to fade quite quickly. The Clicks outdoor TV cover is one of the best budget products available if you want to properly protect your electronic device, but don't want to spend a lot of money on a waterproof TV cover. Still haven't found an outdoor waterproof TV cover that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Lish Premium. Sometimes having to remove the entire cover just to watch for a few minutes of spare time can be tedious, so you just end up not using the TV at all. Thanks to the Lish Premium cover's front flap, you can conveniently use your outdoor TV without going through all the stress. The Lish Premium Outdoor Waterproof TV cover is a traditional outdoor cover that is long-lasting, simple to use, and extremely protective. This weatherproof and dustproof TV protector is made of a tough fabric that protects the TV from rain, snow, wind, and dust. It has coverage on all sides and double-stitched seams for added durability. This cover's durable Velcro straps make it simple to install and secure. The most significant feature of this TV cover is the front flap, which means you don't have to remove the entire cover to watch the TV. This could save you a lot of time and effort when all you really want to do is relax and have fun. You'll also love that this cover works with most TV mounts, including many single, double, and tilting brackets. This outdoor TV cover will fit many outdoor TVs with sizes ranging from 20 to 64 inches across. To top it all off, it also has a remote control pocket with a cleaning cloth inside to make storing the remote and keeping the screen dust-free easier. Its pros are, it has a handy viewing flap that saves you time, it features a water and dust-resistant fabric that prevents water or dust from getting inside, and it's available in 3 colors to suit your decor. However, in very windy conditions, the Velcro may not be strong enough, so you may want to add a binder clip as well. The Lish Premium TV cover is an excellent add-on to protect your TV from harsh elements. It's the ideal cover if you want to use the TV without having to remove the entire cover every single time. The second product on this list is the Acoveritt A1. There are many different ways to protect your outdoor TV from scratches, dust, and rain. You can build a concrete cover, get a cabinet, or other DIY mechanisms to keep your TV safe. But going through all that can be costly and time-consuming. All you need is a reliable cover that's easy to install and convenient to use. We're talking about the Acoveritt A1. This outdoor TV cover has an easy-to-use front flap so viewers don't miss a single minute of the big game or news program. And there's no plastic inner screen to obstruct picture quality. When rolled up, the flap is kept out of the way by a simple strap. When rolled down, zipper closures are used to secure your TV after use. This cover is constructed of heavy-duty polyester and has a soft inner liner. It is weatherproof, shielding the television from moisture and dust. While the flap is secure with zippers, Velcro closures are used throughout the TV to protect it from moisture and dust, including along the bottom edge. You'd also appreciate the adaptability of this TV cover. It comes in a variety of sizes to fit screens ranging from 22 to 90 inches across. Its pros are, it's made of good quality polyester and artificial cotton liner that offers an extended durability. It offers 360-degree protection that helps increase the shelf life of TV, and its zipper and Velcro combination protects the TV from water damage. However, its instructions can be a little confusing to follow. The Acoveritt A1 cover outdoor TV set cover is a great choice for people who want a more convenient and affordable way to protect their outdoor TV. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top outdoor waterproof TV covers is Garnetics Outdoor. Looking for a TV cover for a large outdoor screen? With a wide range to fit 22-inch to 90-inch screens, the Garnetics Outdoor TV cover can protect just about any size outdoor TV. This waterproof TV cover protects your equipment from dust, rain, snow, wind, dampness, and even sunlight. Its primary goal is to ensure that your outdoor TV flat screen lasts many years. Moisture, erosion, and dust can all harm your TV equipment, including the screen and stands, as well as what's inside. And this waterproof outdoor cover is the best solution. It fits not only the TV but also the mount it is fixed on. Its design allows it to fit neatly on and around any support system without jeopardizing the closures. This TV cover is highly water resistant, so it will not allow any water inside even through snow and rainstorms. You can be confident that your equipment will be safe because this outdoor TV cover does exactly what it is supposed to do. It is made with high-quality materials including Oxford 600D fabric and is complemented by a PVC coating on the inside to prevent scratches on your TV screen. Lastly, installing and removing this TV cover is very straightforward, so you can be set up and ready to go in no time. Its pros are, its simple design and range of sizes makes it compatible with most TV mounts and stands, its weatherproof material prevents rain, sun, and dust damage, it has a built-in pocket for storing the remote control or other small items, and it is available in several colors to suit your property's look. However, it has no viewing flap, so you need to remove the whole cover. With a user-friendly design, snug fit, and durable weatherproof material, the Garnetics Outdoor is the best choice. Whether you're worried about dust or water in the form of rain or snow, you can be sure that this TV cover will keep your equipment safe. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.